Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are cooking stir-fried pork.
Yes,
with rice.
With rice and tons of veggies. So stay tuned.
Let's eat.
Alright guys, so I am getting ready to start cutting up my vegetables. We have some green onion over here. We have red bell pepper, yellow and green bell pepper, some fresh parsley. I even have a couple of jalapeno peppers in there because I just want some peppers. So for my seasoning, I'm going to just be using some sea salt, some white pepper, and some garlic and herb seasoning. Nothing but garlic and herb, no salt in this. And we'll have some other ingredients that we're going to be putting on stir fry, which is our pork and our soy sauce. But for right now, we need to get these vegetables done. So I already washed everything. I just have to get everything going. And so now I'm going to get my my parsley done. And I don't know if you all saw this little thing where you use this to do your parsley. But I use this to do my parsley and I love it. It is so convenient. Now, I'm not going to do this much parsley. I'm going to put most of it up, but it's a lot I could do with this. And just pull it through. I actually got this from, I think, the store was Big Lots. They had it in their kitchen section and I just thought it was just great. So yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get this done, guys. Hubby, I think he's getting our meat prepared over there. I'm going to get the vegetables prepared. And then we're going to put this all together. So, we got our wok getting hot, and so now we're going to season our pork. I'm going to use a little sea salt on the pork. Just a little, because you know this is pork. Okay. And then I'm going to use some white pepper. Baby, you in the camera? You behind? Look, you're behind me. Okay. So I have white pepper here. Okay. And I love this blend. I told you I got this from Aldi's. It's a garlic and herb, and in it has garlic, onion, spices, which is black pepper, basil, rosemary, fennel, celery seed, and carrots. So yeah, we'll put that there as well. Put that in there as well. And like I said, I love it because you can go heavy with this. And I love a lot of garlic on my pork. That's it. Now I'm going to just give this a good mix. A good mix. Alright. So we got pork ready. It's all mixed up. Nice and seasoned. And now we're going to kind of put our oil in our wok. So make sure I got the right oil. No, I'm good right now. I'm good. I'll take them off. Because I just messed my oil bottle up. Excuse me, baby. You want to open that thing up for me? Okay. Give me a paper towel. Let me wipe. Just give me a moment, guys. Gotta get my oil bottle straight. Alright guys, so you gotta be very careful with this oil bottle because it's got two types of oil in this bottle. And so I definitely want to use the sesame seed oil. And so I'm gonna use that. Oh my goodness, this is hot. I'm just gonna tilt that wok just a little bit. Maybe a little bit. That's good, baby. That's good. You can put it on back down, baby. Okay. All right. And we're going to put the meat in. This wok is hot, so I don't know what's about to happen, y'all. So Stand by. I'm gonna dump it at once. Here we go. Okay, now it's going stirring. Stuff it away. Smells so good. While he got that going, make sure we getting that bottom. I got 2 iron shells. That ain't better. I got this. Okay, you don't ever throw it. It's a hot pan. I know. You don't play. I got this for it. That's so rude to take the light on off the way. Go ahead. I'm not an egg. How dark you want this? Alright guys, so now I'm going to put the vegetables in here. And let it stir fry with the pork. You got the garlic? No, garlic I'm going a little later. Okay. Okay, let me do this while you get this let me stir some. Alright. Thinking you go a little higher, it's okay. Well, this is coming. Alright, so it's cooking. Just trying to make sure we keep the heat. And guys, so we're gonna just go ahead and get this stir fried, and once the pork, you're sure it has a good little color on it and it's cooked thoroughly, we will be back to go ahead on and mix in our next ingredients, which is gonna be the rice and the soy sauce. Okay, it is definitely browning. Alright guys, this smells so good. So I'm going to add one more spice at the end before I add my rice, and that's some garlic. Toss that in there. I can feel my husband's eyes. Baby, you want to do this? I'm just trying to make sure it don't stick. And it's not. Just go around and flip that meat all over. There we go. Okay.
It's hard to stick a wok.
Huh?
It's hard to stick a wok.
I know. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding the rice in. Right on top of there. Drop a little bit on there. Break it up, baby. There we go. This is jasmine rice I cooked earlier. It's a very big wok, so we're going to get a lot of fried rice out of this. I think I can do about, what, 2 more spoonfuls? Yeah. Maybe 1? Don't, 2. Just, okay. You don't have to smash.
Chicken.
Of course. The pork. We really could have not pushed so much pork in, but that's fine.
The big wok.
Mm-hmm.
Still freezing.
Let me, make some.
Okay.
You burnt it up?
No.
What's all this drama for? Alright. Oh, let's see. I don't know, Dad. I don't know if I can flip like you, but I'm going to try. Let me try. Because it's the rice in here now. Rice don't play. Alright. Okay. Yeah, we need to taste it, make sure we have no seasoning in it. And last, guys, we're going to add our soy sauce, but it's going to wait to.
You want to add any other sauce?
Just soy sauce.
That's it.
That's it, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and stir it. Let me stir it up a little bit, baby. You can put the rice up. And that is our fried rice. And we're gonna go ahead and plate up some of this rice, y'all. Taste it.
Okay.
Blow bake. Oh my goodness.
It's good.
Very good. Wow. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and please consider subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you here in the kitchen with us. Bye.